life. That's my point of view. When I'm on this ride with you, you wanna caress my heart right from the start. Always on my mind.
And they get this car. Watch out. Watch out. Come over this way so he can get everything hooked up. Come this way. Back up.
In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen. Hi. How are you? At my cousin's house. Ring the doorbell. They can't even hear his price. Call Sakara. Because they in the back. Open it. Hi. Hey, Destiny. Hi. Give me a hi. Hey. Hi. Hey, Deanna. I'm fine. How you doing? Hey, cousin. How are you? Girl, why they talking about, okay, Mama, we leaving. We moving here. We got to move in. It's good to see you. You too. Hi, I'm fine. How are you? Nice to meet you. I'm LaToya. What's up, cuz? How you doing? What's up, Jay? You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Introduce you. Hey, Toy, you might tell the girl that she was in the front.
Oh, Sarah Leah.
Hey. You remember rapper Lil Will?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that's my boy. That's his girl.
Okay.
He out there. Yeah, so I'm gonna introduce you to him.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. We walking out there with no shoes? We good? Going outside? Oh, okay.
So,
It's okay. Nice to meet you too. I don't drink, but I got a flat, you know, so. Yeah.
This is James.
Hey, how you doing? Hey.
You already know what it is.
Yeah, hey Ramon, how you doing? I know it's been a while. How you doing, Will? Yeah, these kids is moving on out the way.
You got one graduate? Did your oldest one graduate this year?
No, next year. Yep. Georgia ain't got nothing on Texas. Oh, what you say? It's time to start cleaning up. You got a new couch up here?
I just bought a little cover for her.
Oh, that's cute. That's real cute. Where's that area?
Yeah, she might be in her room. You good, buddy?
Oh. Secure room is pretty. Girl, wait a minute. What? Okay. They is yeah. Okay. She drank. Oh, where she at?
Oh, she didn't hear you. Just here.
Oh, girl, what? Girl, who is you? I know. Okay. What? Hold on. She like a damn Brooksdale. Hold on one minute. God. Okay. Hi, cousin. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you. I'm gonna get you like a little basket or something. You going to college this year? Okay, yeah. We gon' I'm gonna get you some before I leave.
as a boyfriend
Well, yeah.
and everything, girl. Everybody.
Girl, I was not expecting this. Wow. She's a little baby. I'm gonna cry. I ain't about to cry.
I'm glad I came. I'm so glad I made it.
I am too, but look, no, seriously.
What?
Girl, we might have to come down here. I'm so serious.
Why? What you mean, move? Why now? Like what?
Girl, first of all, you know, I always had a heart for Texas.
Yeah, you feeling some kind of way now that you're back?
Yeah. And then the kids get me all hyped up and stuff. To my, oh, it is killing Atlanta. Atlanta is overrated, mommy.
Oh my God.
I said, well, only thing I would miss is like the entertainment part.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of celebrities.
Yep. But yeah. Yep. Girl, I love the way you got her room decorated. That is really pretty. You're welcome.
What is that? Cash them in right now.
There we go.
That's cool. Listen, I'm
in Dallas.
This ain't no tour though. We just came to support family. That's what we came to do.
God bless you. Y'all gotta come on. Okay, girl, you look for the occasion, auntie. Yeah, get your mask. You got everything? What happened? Janaya. What did you do?
What did she do?
Shh. Are you bleeding? Here we bring our products wherever we go. So while I'm out here, I came out here for my cousin's graduation because she graduated. But look, I gotta make sure I get my new first. Hold on. Oh, they're right here. This pretty. I gotta get a picture right here. Let me see. Oh, I had brought my vitamins. It's not bad. I need to take them. Yes, it's right here. Almost a whole capsule. Period. That easy. That's easy. I want a picture right here. People they think Georgia got something. Georgia ain't got nothing.
It's so big. Everything is like in one place.
Is this where I'm turning? Let me see. It's so huge out here. What's up, LA Life Gang? It's your girl, LA, and I am out here in Dallas, Texas with my family, and we are on our way to Lolo's Chicken and Lobster. Stay tuned. All right. Are they open? What they say? Oh, okay. Okay. Let me see. Oh, wait, let me see right here. Did you want to see? Ah, the pain. I smelling today. Hey, Nabo. That's right. Aisha. I'm just going. Everybody got their food. Before I leave with, so look, y'all, I'm in Dallas visiting my cousin, and she has supported me and got NutriBurst.
Girl, I look crazy. Why you got me on camera?
How much you think you can take?
None.
That's good.
Okay.
You really supposed to take a tablespoon, but girl,
that's plenty.
we taking more. Yeah.
That's plenty.
All right, so she taking her shot.
1, 2, 3.
It's done. You done?
That quick.
You got it. Oh, good. Okay, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Right. I realized that too when I first got it. I was like, okay. It was straight out the box, yeah. And I did the same thing. I was like, oh, it's kind of warm. But I was like, when I put it in the refrigerator, it ended up actually tasting better. So yeah, but I mean, I didn't get used to it now. So, girl, yeah. You got a bottle of water?
Yeah, right in my pantry.
Okay. And resolution drops. You go to my website, and y'all can make a purchase to get your products. I'm out of town. There's no reason for me not to be taking my products while I'm out of town. I came to visit my family because my cousin graduated from high school, and it was very important to me because I've been a part of her life when she was a kid. I used to keep her. We were neighbors. It's like my little baby, so I had to come down. But even while I came down, I still got my products. So if y'all looking to lose weight, you want to maintain weight, you might even want to build muscle because everybody don't want to lose weight. I have those products. Just go to my website and check it out. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to send me an inbox or a DM because I will answer them and assist you as best as I can. All right? CBD, live by the products. Take the products. I'm about to have my chaga and CBD tea because I put it in there. Everybody have a great day. All right, take care of your health. You're out there protesting, you still got to take care of your body. Okay, coronavirus is still alive and taking people out. All right, it's affecting people every day. So make sure it's your responsibility to take care of your health. It's important. Your family is going to depend on it, and so will you. All right, you either die from illness or you pay for health. God bless. Leave Dallas, guys, at my cousin's house. Got to come down and celebrate my little cousin's graduation celebration. It's my little cousin. Brave. Bye, Brave. I love you. It was nice seeing you again. You gonna remember me next time? What's my name? You remember? Twin. Love you, okay? All right. You know who's eating? This is my baby cousin. He's so cute. And then Destin is over there. Say hi, Destin. That's my little cousin, Destin. He's the older son of her bunch, and she got 2 other girls. Cousin Aisha. And it's morning, well, she's getting everything prepared for the kids to eat for breakfast and stuff. So look, I'm about to be out of here, y'all. Make sure if you have not subscribed already, subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell for notifications on new upcoming videos. I got merch coming back out. Purchase your shirt. God's favor attracts haters. Because look, when you got great things going on, people gonna say, hey, and you ain't gonna understand. That's what God's favor on your life, okay? So you need to go get one of these shirts and be great. All right, we out. God bless you. Oh. Oh. We're gonna leave. Y'all gonna come see us, Brave. You gonna come to Atlanta, okay? Oh. Oh man. We gonna see you again, cousin. Oh. So cute. Bye, Noah. Bye. So cute. Bye. Say there. I finally got her on the camera, y'all. That's my cousin. That's the graduate. Let me hold this. Okay, we gotta go, yeah. Oh.
He wants to be mad.
Bye.